care and maintenance. Cleaning the hook area. Clean the hook area frequently. Turn the power switch on. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. Loosen the needle clamp screw with a screwdriver and remove the needle. Raise the presser foot lifter. Turn the thumb screw counterclockwise to remove the foot holder and the thumb screw. Slide the extension table to the left to remove it. Push down the needle plate release lever and the needle plate will pop up. Remove the needle plate by lifting it to the right. When removing the needle plate, make sure the needle plate does not hit the free arm or other parts. Turn off the machine and disconnect it from the power supply. Remove the bobbin. Remove the bobbin holder by pulling its front part upward. Clean inside the bobbin holder with a lint brush. Wipe the bobbin holder both inside and outside with a soft cloth. Clean the feed dogs, thread cutter device and hook race with a lint brush. Wipe the inside of the hook race with the cloth. To avoid injury, be careful when wiping the tip of the hook race. Align the triangular mark on the bobbin holder with the triangular mark on the stopper of the hook race. Turn the hand wheel slowly and check that the bobbin holder is inserted properly. Otherwise, it may cause a machine malfunction or damage to the bobbin holder. Insert the left edge of the needle plate into the opening. Push down on the mark of the needle plate until it is locked in place. Attach the needle and presser foot. Insert the bobbin. Cleaning the inside of the thread guide. Clean the inside of the thread guide plate under the top cover at least once a month. Remove the thread guide plate by pulling it up. Clean the area around and under the pre-tension leaf with a lint brush. Hold the tip of pre-tension leaf softly and brush up the dust. Remove lint and dust from the brush on the underside of the thread guide plate using the lint brush. Set the thread guide plate on the machine, inserting the tenons into the slots. Push the thread guide plate down to snap it in place. Cleaning the machine. Wipe the machine body with a soft cloth. Never use benzene or other chemical solvents for cleaning the machine body.